D4, check. RB, check. So since I just arrived, I'm gonna fix my shit. The general thing that I need to do is mount the rocket bunny on my RX-7, and the screws didn't arrive, so I'm gonna use this for temporary use. And after that, Harold's gonna practice run. Even Lawrence and me either, please. Only practice until while the paint is drying on the rocket bunny. The tune is done, and based on the dampers, it's pretty spot on. The only thing is we're gonna tune the camber. While Harold's working on that, me and Lawrence gonna work on the RX-7. Gonna mount on the rocket bunny, and we're gonna use this.
Hindi ko makita eh. Ano kasi, puso din yung unang itlaw. Oh, diba? You see?
Hey! Tapos nakadikit na. Hey, it's not.
Hindi yan.
So, the two of the panels are officially mounted on, but for temporary use, we just added some anchor points on each end, so it won't move out, and so far it looks good.
Bumalik ka ng utak! Bumalik ka ng utak! Kasi ako na nga, ang ina mo.
Alin?
Ito,
Ito?
dito yung bubutasan, tsaka dito.
Okay. Dito. Sige.
Hindi doon sa ano, madali na naman.
The shell is almost looking good. Yeah. But this is the only problem. We need to work on that. The update is the kit is the kit is finally mounted, and don't mind this because this too is even happen on the other side, like so. So what's gonna happen is Haru's gonna mask the what do you call it, and we're gonna remove it once again and clean the inside of it, and I'm gonna paint it. It's perfect, and I know I'm gonna clean that. I don't know on what thing, but how does take care of me? Gonna paint. He's gonna mask it.
Borrow pencil
Daw. I removed all the parts and time to wash it.
5 minutes later.
Cleaning 101. So like we did on my RX-7, which is up there.
mas effective dito. Mas flash.
So what are we gonna do is we're gonna do the exact same thing on what we did before the painting of my RX-7, which is rinse it with soap, dishwashing soap, and clean it all up. And after it's clean and dry, I'm gonna paint it. Oh! Isa pa nga. Since everything's dried and Lawrence is playing with the lighter again, we're gonna start painting, but this one's will come separate. Why? Because he applied masking tape first without cleaning it first. So that sucks. We're gonna do it separate.
Too much overspray. Spray mo before.
Okay na yan ah. Ako dyan. Libs ako dyan eh.
Tapos yung spray niyan,
Pag ganun.
Pag ganun.
Pag ganun ha. Hindi yung ganun tapos sobra ka na naman. Nice one.
It's better to do the first time. Pag ganun.
Oh my god, naglapit mo Ken.
Too much.
Ano yan?
Tama na.
Ay lang, may kulang ka pa.
Sa gitna.
Ah.
Patuloy!
Okay.
Pwede!
Patuloy! Ano ba?
So kids, don't play with fire, please.
You're gonna kill me!
Uy!
Kapal yan.
Yung tama, o yung sa gitna, pero yung sa sides parang tapos na eh.
Thank you.
Ano ulit? Pwede na? Sunugin?
Ang init.
Yung pag ganito pa. Kasi may ibang pintura din na papasok dyan.
Ayan, may kulang dyan.
Ano? Gagawang kapal.
Lo.
Tama.
Patay!
Sama! May kalan. Sunugin na yun. Ganda na idea niya. Talagang
Guys, you know.
ayan. Hassle free. Kaya, ang kunin yung gasol ko. Patay!
Buhos na!
Yung gasol.
Mismong gasolin na!
Patay! Tara na! Sasabugin. Gasol. Tanggalin niya yung asan pero yung agad. Patay! Kalan pa.
Thank you.
Bakit pa yung Uniqlo?
Oo, kita pa.
Sabi mo eh.
Literal na.
Sunod lang sa sinasabi mo. Okay? I am a simple person. Sabihin mo lang ako, gagawin ko.
Yung Uniqlo mismo dito. Logic! Patay! Pakaseo!
Yay!
Puto yun! Wala ka!
So that's it. The paint is very done. We're gonna wait for it to dry. So while we're waiting for it to dry, we're gonna play. And looking from the bumper, it looks nice. Kanin? Ikaw?
La! Lighter!
If you ever meet us, please don't give Lawrence a lighter and a something that is flammable. Please.
Or crackers, please.
Or others that can cause fire. Please don't give it to Lawrence. Sorry for the no footage, but we're already here in the court, and my reaction to my D4 is fucking mint. It runs well, but I don't know on what the settings are, but oh, that hurt. So I'm gonna set up the camera for you guys.
You're not for the summer!
Balanganin ako dun eh. Minsan nag-iingat, tapos nakapunak ka na.
Kaya?
Thank you.
Thank you nga eh. Buti na sa lokay tayo.
Teka, give it.
And the paint is dry after 1 hour. My lipo went I don't want to talk about that.
Pwede ko nalilinis yung heat and everything. Actually, bukas pa lang.
Bukas na lahat.
Okay.
Damn.
Sampal! Tignan pa ano yung mga kits.
Parang ako lang.
Hindi naman naka-outline. Malaki yung butas mo.
And the final product. That one.
Ano yung pagkakamali?
Panakit ng butas!
Ayan, no? Literal.
Panakit ng butas!
This is story and why he's doing that. He has a giant dimple on the trunk. Let me see here. This is a dimple. I even have a dimple. We similarly have a dimple, and he decided to shoot the hot tip of the glue gun and the dimple. And what happened is the dimple flattened, but it got sunk. So what Harold's going is he's hiding the dimple, the worst dimple that he made, and he regrets doing that.
No regrets. 700.
Black 100. No regrets 700.
One side of RX-7 is done, and I need to buy another whole set of pins because this took maybe this took less than 30, and we need more for tomorrow. So tomorrow we're gonna finalize on the other side, which is not yet mounted, but yes, I know that's a fake fitment, but I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. We have a lot of things that we need to work on. Finishing the roll cage, fitting this black wire again. I hate wiring.
Hindi mo ba sinama yung buong trunk?
Tingin.
Wait lang. I'm not yet done. I'm going to put white on the roof and on the hood.
Ano kay puta? Tinatago yung mismo pagkakamali.
And I rotate my servo to the stock position because it's too small, and I return this back on the normal place so I can make shit. so we have a lot of things to do tomorrow, and I'm gonna hope that everything will be finished tomorrow, including this one. I'm gonna make this one fit too. I'm gonna make this one fit so it won't make look sayang. It won't make look sayang. Putang ina.
Don't make look sayang just like what I did here.
Ay, gano'n, Roy.
Kita mo? Kita mo? Kita mo pa ba? Hindi na ito pa. Panakit buta.
So we still have another side to work on tomorrow, and the bumpers, 2 bumpers actually. I want to fit them both. Pakita mo.
Hindi na pimple, hindi na dimple.
So yeah, that will be it for today. We're gonna finish working on the D4 with the Rocket Bunny shit, and so I'm gonna fix my stuff and call it a day. Yes. Good night.